Hello boys and girls. Today I'm going to do a quick video on converting an improper fraction to a mixed number. So we talked about how when we add or subtract or even multiply fractions, sometimes we're left with an improper fraction. An improper fraction is when your numerator is greater than your denominator, and this is called improper. So today we're going to talk about how we can convert it to a mixed number. A mixed number has a fraction. Thank you, Michael. It has a mixed number has a fraction and a whole number. So today what we're going to do is we're going to decompose these by taking out a whole. So for example, we know with this fraction, because we're dealing with fourths, we're going to take out 4/4. We know really 4/4 is the same thing as 4 divided by 4. This fraction bar is the same as a division sign. 4 divided by 4 is 1 whole. So when we took 4 out of here, that was really taking 1 whole out. So 9 minus 4 is 5. So over here I'm just going to write 9 minus 4. And that's what we did. We took 4 out of it and we are left with 5. Knowing that we have 5 left in this improper fraction, that means we can take another group of 4 out. Another group of 4 from that 5. We know 4 divided by 4, again, is 1 whole. When we took 4 away from this, we were left with 1. Can we take 1? If we have 1 left, can we take 4/4 away from it? No. So we have 1/4 left. We have 4/4 and 4/4 and 1/4. Together, when we put them all together, 1 plus 1 is 2. Remember, those are our whole numbers. And we're left with 1/4. So 2 and 1/4, this is our mixed number. It's a mixture of numbers. It's got a whole number and a fraction. Mixed number is the equivalent or the same value as 9/4. We talked about last week that we don't want to leave it as an improper fraction. We want to convert it to a mixed number. Let's try another one. So now I have 10/3. If I have 10/3, I want you to think about, what am I taking out? What should I use as my whole number? How I decide is I look at my denominator. Because I'm dealing with thirds, I know if I take 3/3 out, it's the same as 1 whole. So I'm going to do 10 minus 3, and that has me left with 7. I'm going to try again to take another 3 out. If I take another 3/3 out, also known as 1 whole, 7 minus 3 is 4. And I know I could take 3 out of there again, also known as 1 whole. So 4 minus 3 is 1. I have 1 left, and I know I can... I know I can't take 3 out of there, so that's what's left over. Oh, I was writing fourths again. Sorry. So now we have, when we put them all back together, 1 whole, 2, 3, and 1/3. So 3 and 1/3 is equivalent to 10/3. Let's have you try one all by yourself and then check back with me to see if it's correct. Let's do 14/5. Try that one and check back with me. All right, boys and girls, when you went ahead and you converted this improper fraction of 14/5 to 2 4/5, I hope that you got the same thing that I did, which is 2 4/5. If you have any questions, let me know and we can go over it together. Good luck on the problem set. Today you are doing problem set 37 and 38, which is continuing with multiplying fractions. What you'll do is if you do have an improper fraction today, you will have to convert them, okay?